The KOIOS 900W Smoothie Blender, Personal Blender, comes with two 22 ounces cups. This is a more recent entrant into the personal blender space, offering some strong features. According to the product listing, it uses a 900W copper turbo motor with pulse technology that spins up to 23,000 RPM to quickly blend ingredients. It equips a 304 stainless steel detachable 6-leaf blade, plain to crush ice and frozen ingredients in till to 10 seconds. The package includes two 22 ounces BPA-free cups with lids, to-go style, portability hooks, and safety features like overheating protection. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe, blades should be cleaned by hand, and the base only runs when the cup is properly pressed down, a safety interlock. The design also includes non-slip silicone pads for stability. During my testing, I blended combinations of frozen fruit, greens, protein powder, and ice. The motor certainly felt more capable than many entry-level blenders. It handled moderate ice loads well, producing smooth blends fairly quickly, though 10 seconds is optimistic, more like till to 20-30 seconds in my mix. The 6-leaf blade felt robust, slicing through frozen chunks without immediately bobbing down. Using one of the to-go cups directly made it convenient for on-the-go use. The safety interlock system worked reliably. The unit won't run unless properly aligned. Cleanup was decent. Rinse blades carefully, cups and lids in dishwasher. The non-slip pads helped prevent shifting on the counter during use. However, some caveats: when overloading or adding dense nuts, the motor occasionally slowed or required stirring. For very firm frozen blocks, you may need to break them before blending. The cup volume, 22 ounces, is good for single servings, but not ideal for making multiple servings at once. Over time, users report that sealing rings or gaskets may wear, and blades may dull. Also, because this is a motor-forward product, noise is significant when running full loads. The safety interlock, while useful, means you need proper alignment. Any misalignment and it won't start, which can feel finicky in a hurry. Be cautious about overfilling past the maximum fill line and always allow airflow. Don't block vents to prevent overheating. All in all, KOIOS offers excellent value for a personal blender pushing near 900W, more headroom than a 600W model, and better ice crushing capability. If you're looking for something more powerful but still compact, this is worth considering. And yes, we share by links in description box so you can click through. For its balance of power, convenience, and features, I'd rate it 4 out of 5.